So one of my favorite dog groomers dropped off a pair of straight shears. They're evidently not cutting well. So we're going to test them first, and then we're going to sharpen them. First thing we're going to do is the dry tissue test. Ooh, see, that does not cut all the way through the tip with dry tissue paper. Very good. So it's very rough right there. So we're not even going to try the wet tissue test, because if it won't cut dry, it's not going to cut wet. Let's do some fur though. So here we go with the fur test. First thing we're going to try is fake fur. And yeah, see, it's folding. It's folding the fur and it's catching at the tip. So let's try the rabbit fur. Well, it's not too bad on the rabbit fur, but the rabbit fur is not a good indication because it's so fine compared to some other dog's fur. So let's sharpen them.
I got dishes in the sink, flies in the kitchen, a milk gone bad, the dog gone missing. I wonder who that old blue healer's healing today. I bet he's up at the Bisbee's chasing down frisbees, wagging his tail like he don't even miss me, with a bacon wrapped chew and a tennis ball coming his way. Hey, I didn't mention he gets no attention. I'm a tater on a couch kissing Jeopardy questions. 25 years old, I'll be 15 in July. Well, at least we had good years. I got him to drink beers. I bait him in a baby pool and clipped him with good cheers. But I got lazy, now he's gone and I just wanna cry. I got signs on telephone poles and posts in the classified. I got the megaphone out the car window. I'm calling from both sides. Maybe I should learn my lesson. Maybe I should learn to take a little care. Maybe I'm a bit too unprepared. Oh, woof, woof, woof for dogs. Dogs. I got another dog missing, cause I caught her kissing a deadbeat pool shark behind the dog park. So now I got two dogs and both are just up and gone. Well, I should have seen it coming, I should have known better. She was a flirt and a teasel mood swing with the weather. She'll take a bone in the bed or out on the neighbor's front lawn. But she ain't never had a daddy, truly but sadly. She always needed something a little more badly, and I really ain't ever been that kind of guy. Well, to hell with the issue, someone give me a tissue. Even though you're a dog, I still want to kiss you. I promise to wash all the dishes, kill all the flies. I got signs on telephone poles and posts in the classified. I got the megaphone out the car window. I'm calling from both sides. Maybe I should learn my lesson. Maybe I should learn to take a little care. Maybe I'm a bit too unprepared. Oh, woof, woof, woof for dogs. Oh, for dogs. Ooh, for dogs.
The song Jack and I wrote about a couple old dogs that live in our neighborhood. They've been there since they were young pups. Just keeping our neighborhood safe. Two old dogs. Get that phone. A one, a two, a one, two, three, four. All right. got it made. They come and go just as they please. They got no place that they need to be, lying low underneath the trees. When the streets get hot, they keep their cool. Out of the sun, nobody's fool, no. I see them there most every day. There's for a spell, then they're on their way. With two old dogs lying in the shade. They cock a watchful eye as life goes marching by. They see it all like some parade. Those two old dogs lying in the shade. Those two old dogs lying in the shade. Oh, let it go. Let it go. It's working. The two old dogs picking in the shade. We play guitar, pass the time away. No, people stop to hear them play. It seems to me that they got it made. The two old dogs playing in the shade. They cock a watchful eye as life goes marching by. They see it all like some parade. No, those two old dogs lying in the shade. Those two old dogs are playing in the shade.
Okay, we're finished sharpening, and they had a nasty little nick in both blades. It looked like it was probably dropped or banged against another pair of shears. So we're going to try the dry test first. Ooh, ooh, cuts very good. Now let's do a wet test. And the wet test is just, for me, it's just to tell whether I've got a good edge on it or not. Uh-oh, I don't. It is pulling at the tips. All right, we're gonna go back. Okay, I worked the tips a little bit more on the felt pad, and so we're gonna try it now. I must have had a little burr left on there because now they're cutting super clean. But once again, this does not tell the whole story. They've got to actually cut hair well. So let's go to that. So first, let's try the fake fur. Oh yeah. Cuts all the way through the blade, through the tip. There we go. Let's try the rabbit fur. Oh yeah, nice. It's back here, right there, very at the tip. Ooh, nice. Those are sharp.